Hey everyone, welcome back to Better You, Better Life. Today, I'm diving into the incredible benefits of high-protein meals and how they can help you lose weight, build lean muscle, and stay full longer. Stick around because I'm also sharing 5 simple, beginner-friendly, high-protein meals you can start making today. Let's level up your fitness journey. Alright, let's talk protein, the powerhouse nutrient. It keeps you feeling full, reduces cravings, and prevents overeating. Studies show that high-protein diets help with weight loss while maintaining muscle mass. And here's the kicker. Digesting protein burns more calories than digesting carbs or fats. So here are 3 key reasons why high-protein meals should be part of your diet. 1. Appetite control. Protein helps keep you full longer, reducing the need for unnecessary snacking. 1. Muscle maintenance. If you're cutting calories, protein preserves lean muscle mass, which is crucial for staying strong and toned. 1. Boost metabolism. Your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fats, giving your metabolism a natural boost. Now let's get into the fun part. Cooking. Here are 5 high-protein meals that are easy to make, packed with nutrients, and absolutely delicious. First up, 1-pot creamy chicken and mushroom pasta. Loaded with protein from lean chicken breast combined with savory mushrooms and a creamy guilt-free sauce. Plus, it's all made in one pot for easy cleanup. Next, try skillet pork chops and beans. Juicy, protein-packed pork chops seared to perfection and paired with hearty white beans. Simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Craving Mexican flavors? This one-pan enchilada skillet is a must-try. Lean ground turkey, black beans, and bold spices come together for a high-protein, one-skillet meal that's perfect for meal prep. For a plant-based option, check out Charred Broccolini with Tahini Caesar and crispy chickpeas. Rich in plant-based protein, crunchy, flavorful, and incredibly nutritious. Last but not least, Sheet-Pan Chicken Fajita Bowls. Packed with 40+ grams of protein per serving, combining lean chicken, fiber-rich beans, and flavorful fajita veggies for a balanced and satisfying meal. Meal prepping these meals is a game-changer. It saves time, keeps you on track with your health goals, and makes it easier to choose nutritious, protein-packed options instead of grabbing something unhealthy on the go. Incorporating high-protein meals into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. With these simple recipes and a little bit of planning, you can set yourself up for success on your weight loss and fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Better You, Better Life for more fitness tips, healthy recipes, and motivation to help you become the best version of yourself. Hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.